What's up, everyone? It's been kind of a rough week, and I'll be honest with you, I've been kind of quiet. Haven't been able to get onto any of the videos or anything, but some people have asked for, welding shots, I guess, what it looks like when I weld completely uncut. Ask why do I shrink them down for the video? Well, the reason why is because it's like, you don't really want to watch 6 minutes of me just welding one piece, but some people wanted to see that. So I have a few video clips, completely unedited, uncut, and you can watch some of the work I got. This is coming up from the FD exhaust video I'm working on right now. So there's a signature, a little time signature you can skip to if you get tired of watching me weld. But these are completely uncut, unedited. Here's I don't know, what is it, 5-6 minutes or so worth of welding. So hope that satisfies you guys, for those of you who wanted to see it. So, and since you're on the community tab here, you get to watch it. So I'll have the full video up pretty soon. So enjoy.